IIM Lucknow bags 580 plus summer offers, highest stipend hits rupees 3.95 lakh. India remembers Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on his birth anniversary, celebrates vision for education. Government challenges students to solve real-world consumer issues via hackathons. IIT Kharagpur Students Body launches feedback drive on policies, seeks constructive suggestions. IIT Madras Pravartak Bodh Bridge launches free entrepreneurship training for students. IIM Lucknow's 2025-27 batch secured over 580 summer placement offers with highest domestic stipend at rupees 3.95 lakh per month and 2.5 lakh internationally. The average stipend rose to rupees 1.67 lakh per month from last year's rupees 1.43 lakh and maiden increase to rupees 1.72 lakh from rupees 1.50 lakh. The top 50% earned an average of rupees 2.18 lakh per month. The batch included 187 freshers and 345 experienced candidates placed across consulting, finance, marketing, and more. Notable recruiters like McKinsey, BCG, Google, and Goldman Sachs returned, while first-time participants included Morgan Stanley, Barclays, and Salesforce. Adani stood out by offering selecting interns tuition waivers. The placement reflects growing industry trust in IIM Lucknow's talent across domains. On October 15, India celebrates the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, renowned scientist, former president, and beloved teacher. Born in 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, Kalam rose from humble beginnings to lead India's missile and space programs, earning the title Missile Man of India. As a president from 2002 to 2007, he inspired millions, especially students, promoting dreams, innovation, and inclusive education. Though often mistaken as UN's World Students' Day, October 15 is not officially recognized as such globally. Kalam's legacy continues through his commitment to youth, science, and ethics-driven learning. Even in death passing while delivering a lecture, he remained a teacher. His words, "Dream, dream, dream," remains a powerful call to action to India's future generation. The Department of Consumer Affairs, in collaboration with Ministry of Education, is engaging students nationwide in solving 6 real-world consumer problems through Smart India Hackathon 2025. 5 of the 6 challenges remain open for submissions until October 15. The Onion Shortage Challenge ended on October 7. The problems include reducing post-harvest onion losses, non-destructive gold hallmark testing, AI-based checks on e-commerce labeling, automated testing for electrical safety equipments, and detecting tampering in trade weighing devices. Booked by AICTE, the hackathon connects students with industry experts and government bodies. Additionally, the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 encourages school-level innovation, promoting grassroots design thinking through collaboration with Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog. IIT Kharagpur's student representative body, Technology Students Gymkhana, has launched a feedback drive to gather students' opinions on academic and administrative policies, including attendance rules. The initiative involves circulating online forms among students to collect confidential, constructive feedback aimed at improving existing system. An institute official stated that the drive is designed to understand students' perspective and areas of development. Director Suman Chakraborty emphasized that students' input is vital for shaping initiatives and promoting holistic growth. He assured that all suggestions, particularly concerning attendance, will be considered by the institute's top decision makers. making body, reinforcing openness to student concerns and collaboration in policy making. IIT Madras Pravartak Technologies Foundation, in collaboration with both Bridge Education, has launched 2 free online entrepreneurship training programs for school and college students aimed at fostering innovation and leadership. The initiative, from student to startup, for UG, PG students and professionals that discover entrepreneur in you, for class 7 to 12, includes live expert sessions, case studies, course materials, and recorded content. Certification is optional for a nominal fee with a grade certificate from IITM Pravartak. Registration is open until October 28, with the first batch starting from November 1, 2025. The programs aim to bridge the gap in structured entrepreneurship education and prepare youth to lead India's growing startup ecosystem.